How to set password on your Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can set password to our Netflix profile so that other people who are using the same account won't be able to access it. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to set password on Netflix profiles, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Netflix application here. Now whenever you're given a profile that might be locked or not locked, if it is locked, you'll find the lock indicator at the bottom of the profile, which in my case you can see all of the profiles are locked. So to set a password on these profiles, do not choose a profile to log in. Just tap on the little edit or the pencil icon from the top right hand side. Now you can choose a profile that you want to lock. So I'll select this profile, and here you'll find an option that says profile lock. So all you have to do from here is just tap on the profile lock option, and once done you'll be able to just go ahead and then tap on the set profile lock option to set your profile lock over here. This way you'll be able to set password in Netflix profiles. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.